Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the watermark in DroidCam OBS. First open OBS Studio on your computer and the DroidCam app on your phone. After that, add the DroidCam source in OBS and enter the IP address from your phone. Once you connect it, the camera will appear in OBS. Now you can see there's a watermark on the video. To remove it, open the DroidCam app on your phone and tap Get Pro. Then tap on Load Advert. This will play an ad. After watching it, you will unlock HD mode for 1 hour. Once the ad finishes, the watermark will be removed and you can use the camera in HD for 1 hour. After the 1 hour ends, you can watch another ad to unlock it again. I hope this video helps you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.